as you know that I am doing a lecture series based on material science that will deal the previous year questions of GATE engineering services and civil services. Okay, so this is about myself. So let's see the today's lecture. Okay, so the first question of today's lecture is that consider the following statement about medium carbon steel. Okay, so there is three statements they are asking which are the correct. So let's read. It can be quenched, hardened, but not case hardened. It cannot be quenched, hardened, but case hardened can be done. It exhibit distinct yield points under tension test. Okay, so let's see which our statement is correct for the medium. Okay, so its answer is actually C. The second is wrong. Okay, so it cannot quench, harden, but case hardening can be done. Okay, this statement looks completely wrong. Okay, so its answer will be C. The first is it can be quenched, hardened, but not case hardened. It exhibit distinct yield points under tensile test. Okay, so here some explanation is given. Please let's read that. Low carbon steel less than 0.3% carbon cannot be quenched, hardened, but case hardened can be done. Okay, so its answer will be C. Next question. Okay, again this match list kind of alloy and use. Okay, low carbon steel, head filled magnesium steel, Constantin, Babbitt alloy, okay, bearing, thermocouple, wire nail, bulldozer blades. Okay, so actually the low carbon steel is useful to make wire nails and hand filled manganese. Okay, steel, it is useful to make bulldozer blade, and Constantin is useful to make thermocouple, and Babbitt alloy is for bearing. Okay, its answer is D. Next, again the match list kind of percentage of carbon content in plain carbon steel application. Okay, so 0.1 to 0.2, 0.3 to 0.4, 0.6 to 0.7, 1.1 to 1.4. Okay, drop hammer, razors, structures, crane hooks. Okay, so this question came in IES 2002. Let's see. So see the 0.1 to 0.2, it is for structure. 0.3 to 0.4 is for crane hooks. 0.6 to 0.7 it is razors, and 1.1 to 1.4 is drop hammer. Okay, so its answer is A. Next, the true strain for low carbon steel. The true strain for low carbon steel bar, which is double length for the forging, is. Okay, I think you know the answer. The answer is C. 0.693. Okay. Next question, again it's a match list kind. Mild steel, tool steel, high carbon steel, medium carbon steel, ball bearing, cold chisels, shaft axle, rolled steel section. Okay, so it's match. Okay, see the mild steel is for rolled steel section, tool steel, ball bearing, high carbon steel, cold chisel, and medium carbon steel is shaft and axle. Okay, so its answer is D. Next, in case of power screw, what is the combination of materials used for the screw and nut? Okay, so screw और nut में कौन सा material use होता है? Okay, so power screw, so cast iron screw and mild steel nut, carbon steel screw and phosphor bronze nut, cast iron screw and cast iron nut, aluminium screw and alloy steel nut. देखिए इस टाइप वाले क्वेश्चन जो होते हैं आपको फैक्चुअल पता होना चाहिए, इसमें आप ज़्यादा कुछ सोच नहीं सकते हैं. ओके, सो कर लीजिए, इसका आंसर होगा बी, कार्बन स्टील स्क्रू एंड फॉस्फोर ब्रोंज नट. दैट्स इट. ओके, कार्बन स्टील स्क्रू एंड फॉस्फोर ब्रोंज नट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, hot crack occurs in weld and fusion zone as the metal solidifies. Which of the following are cause for hot crack? fourth statement is given presence of sulfur and phosphorus of base metal, high carbon alloy content of base metal, moisture in the joint and electrode, joint resistant. Okay, its answer will be B. Okay, this joint resistant is wrong. Okay, तो अगर आपको देखिए फोर्थ आपको पता है गलत है तो ये स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट रॉन्ग, सेकंड थर्ड रॉन्ग, फोर्थ रॉन्ग. ओके, तो आंसर विल बी बी. ये तीनों सही है. प्रेजेंस ऑफ सल्फर एंड फास्फोरस इन बेस मेटल, हाई कार्बन alloy content of base metal, moisture in the joint and electrode. ओके, इसमें करेक्ट पूछ रहा था. मैच लिस्ट फिर से देखिए, मैच लिस्ट आ गया. तो सिलिकॉन स्टील, कार्बन हाई स्टील, हाई कार्बन स्टील, हाई स्पीड स्टील, मोनल मेटल, मैरिन बियरिंग, कटिंग टूल, स्प्रिंग, ट्रांसफार्मर, लैमिनेशन. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. Its answer is actually, see, the silicon steel is useful for transformer lamination. Okay, high carbon steel is useful to make spring. High speed steel, okay, you know that it's cutting tool. And monol metal is one marine bearing. Okay, so its answer is B. Next question, इसमें देखिए, okay, which of these tools are provided with negative rake angle. Okay, इसमें negative rake angle के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Consider the following tools: high carbon steel tool, high speed steel tool, ceramic tool, and carbide tools. So tools are provided with negative rake angle. Okay, so its answer is actually the ceramic tool and carbide tool. These are used provided with negative rake angle. Okay, so its answer is D. Okay, so high carbon steel is wrong, high speed steel tool is also wrong. Next question, for the pipe fitting like elbow, T, union, etc., which of the following is preferred? Okay, so pig iron, malleable iron, spheroidal graphite iron, cast iron, and high carbon steel. So its answer is B, malleable iron. देखिए ये सब अगर आपको पता है तो अच्छी बात है, अगर नहीं पता तो याद कर लो बस इसको. ओके, इसमें इतना ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने वाला नहीं है, क्योंकि देखिए ये सब क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए आपको जो भी स्टैंडर्ड बुक होती हैं वो सब पढ़ना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, जैसे कि कैलिस्टर आती है मेटल साइंस के लिए, उसको आपको लाइन बाय लाइन पढ़ना पड़ेगा, तभी आप इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर इन्फ्लुएंस द प्लेन कार्बन स्टील. ओके, परसेंटेज कार्बन, quenching media, work size. Okay, its answer is actually D. All of these is correct. Okay, so सारे फैक्टर इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं: परसेंटेज कार्बन, quenching media, work size. Okay, next question, consider the following statement. Okay, the strength of steel increases with carbon content. Young's modulus of steel increases with carbon content. Young's modulus of steel remains unchanged with variation of carbon content. Answer is actually A. Okay, the strength of steel increases with carbon steel. This is absolutely correct. Okay, so Young's modulus of steel increases with carbon content. C. Young's modulus is a material property. There is nothing related to carbon content. Okay, जैसे कि स्टील का कुछ भी जो भी होती है वैल्यू यंग्स मॉडुलस की, उसमें आप कार्बन कंटेंट बढ़ाओ घटाओ कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ओके, बिकॉज इट इज अ फिक्स थिंग, देयर इज नथिंग रिलेटेड टू कार्बन कंटेंट. यंग्स मॉडुलस ऑफ स्टील रिमेन्स अनचेंज विद द वेरिएशन ऑफ कार्बन कंटेंट. सो अगेन दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. कुछ भी लेना देना नहीं है कार्बन कंटेंट से यंग्स मॉडुलस में, बिकॉज इट इज अ मटेरियल प्रॉपर्टी. सो बट द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ स्टील इंक्रीजेस with carbon content. Next question, presence of hydrogen in steel causes, obviously his answer is embrittlement. Okay, the presence of hydrogen in steel causes embrittlement. Okay, so this was a few more questions based on material science. Next class we'll see some more questions. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.